In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Amazon Fire Stick. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you want to go ahead and factory reset it, for example, you might want to go ahead and sell it, or maybe there's a bug on there that you want to go ahead and erase, so you want a fresh start. All you want to do is once you're on here, go all the way to the right where it has this settings wheel icon, click on this. It's going to look something like this now. And all you want to do is go to the My Fire TV section, which looks like that, but yours might be somewhere down here as well. So go ahead and click on My Fire TV like so. Enter in your PIN, which you inputted whenever you first set up your Fire Stick, and then you're going to go to the My Fire TV section, go all the way down to Reset to Factory Defaults. It's going to say remove all personal data and downloaded content from your Fire TV. So if you're happy with that, just go ahead and select it, and it's going to remove everything, and it's going to be like a stock Fire Stick, and it's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other Fire TV Stick videos that we've been posting on the channel.